Hello, everyone. I'm Sean Curtin, and I am actually the new Director of Curriculum and Assessment here at the district. Many of you do already know me, but we do have many new people, so I look forward to working with all of you. I hope all of you have been able to get some rest, relaxation. I know that's been printed many times in an email, but nonetheless, I'm looking forward to the new journey this year and hope you are as well. Just to give you information, and I know a lot of information is going to be coming to all of you and coming in soon and with a lot of different components and things of that nature. So I want to make sure that I'm brief, but I want to give you information so that you can make the necessary plans to be successful this year. We're going to be talking about just the assessment calendar, and you're going to be getting this email right in front of me. And all you're really going to need is to click on the calendar link, and I'll get to that in just a second. Of course, you'll click on the screencast to see this video, but you can't click on something that I'm creating while I'm talking to you right now. So the assessment calendar is meant just to inform you about all the different assessments, both at elementary and secondary, that are going to occur this year, and we really firmed up those dates. Now, with that is going to be PD dates, or professional development dates, that we are firming up right now. There's a process, might be just a little bit behind, but we do have a process now to ensure that whatever professional development dates, the assessments associated with our curriculum, are in line with our work plans and priorities that we've developed with the Board of Education. So in a nutshell, you're going to read the email and you're just going to click on the assessment link, and you're going to get access to the calendar. Now, it's view only, and if you simply just want to print your calendar, you're just going to hit your Control P or print, and it will come right up for you. And right now it's working for me, but you can simply print it, and voila, you'll have your printed copy. You can put it on your wall, whatever you need to do to get these things on your calendar and know what's going. So again, you'll have the elementary and secondary. They're two separate pages. Elementary principals don't need the secondary calendar, or they might want to have an idea, and that's fine, but you will have both pages. Also, there is a visual calendar. So I was going to show everyone the visual calendar. Now, keep in mind the visual calendar doesn't have the dates like the actual like 10-1, but it's by week. So the first week in August, second week, and that's the visual calendar of the whole entire year and all the assessments that we're going to be given and that we've gone through and made sure we firmed up. So this is the visual calendar. Again, it's not anything anybody can edit. If there's something that's come up or something that we've missed, be sure to contact me and let me know. But again, the list calendar is the one that a lot of people work from. Now, as we build the PD dates and we know that they're firm, we're going to provide some links to not each of them, but most of these will have a link giving you some more detail and information, or at least your course lead, your department team member, or department chair, or your grade level team leader. You'll have some specific information about what IAB or what formative assessment. So we'll be making these links hot, so when you go into the Google document, you'll click on it, it'll give you some additional information. So that's what I have for you in a nutshell, just to give you some information initially and give you a screencast, because I can't get everybody together, so this would be one way to do that in a screencast. So I look forward to seeing all of you soon, and reach out to me if you have any questions. Take care. Bye.